Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a puzzle type called Snake Pit Puzzle by Serkan Yürekli. Now this puzzle was featured on gmpuzzles.com, and it's an excellent puzzle type. It's kind of an hybrid variant. Both snake puzzle and Philomeno puzzle rules are embedded into one single puzzle, hybrid puzzle. Now GM Puzzle is an excellent website for puzzles and sudokus if you are looking for some excellent, elegant, handcrafted puzzles and sudokus. And Serkan is one of the renowned author of the world. He is excellent author. His constructions are really good. All purely logical. You don't have to bifurcate any of his sudokus and puzzles. So I would really suggest you to check out his puzzles and sudokus on gmpuzzles.com. You will really enjoy all of his puzzles. I'll add the link in the description below for the online interface of the puzzle that we are solving today, as well as the link of the puzzle the from where we have taken this puzzle, gmpuzzles.com. And before starting the puzzle, I would really recommend you to check out the Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles channel. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel because it will really motivate us to cover videos on daily basis. And if at all you have a request for a puzzle genre or a Sudoku variant, do let us know in the comment below, and we'll surely make a video on it. And now coming on to the puzzle. So snake pit is nothing but kind of a Philomeno puzzle. So you will have to make some or draw some regions in such a way that the number of cells in the each region is given by the number indicated in the region. So if you have a 3-cell region, you will have all the 3s in the region. If you have a 2-cell region, you will have all the 2s in the region, right? And in as usual Philomeno, you cannot have two same regions, or maybe two same region of the same value. So you cannot have two 2s and two 2s here touching each other orthogonally. That is what the Philomeno rule says. And in this somewhat snake rules also come into the play. So usually a snake is nothing but it is 1 cell wide and long, right? So it can be, at least it has to be 2 cells long. So in this puzzle you cannot have a Philomeno of cell 1. So according to the rules, you will have at least a snake of 2 cell long, and the snake cannot touch itself even at diagonals. So for example, let us show you that. Let us assume this is the snake. So this snake, this is the snake head and tail. So it cannot touch each other at the diagonal. So this is possible, but this is not possible, right? Even if there was no 2 here, anything, so this is not possible, right? This kind of thing is not possible here. And the circles indicate that the circle is either the end it is the end of the snake, either the head or the tail of the snake. And it is not necessary that all the snakes should have a head or a tail. So there can be a snake without a head or a tail, but wherever you have a circle, that has to be the head or the tail for the snake, right? And a snake can have more than even one circle or 2 circles. So it is not at all given. So with that, we'll start solving this puzzle. So as you can see here, there are the theme of this puzzle is all the 2s here. So all the 2s are given here already. So not all the 2s are given, I would say, sorry, but the theme here is that as you can see, the grid has all the 2s before solving, right? And with that, we'll start solving this puzzle. So as you can see here, this is one of the snake already given here. So as the theme here is all the 2s here, we'll mark all the 2s with one of the different colors, so that we don't have to touch those colors, right? So you cannot have a 3 cell continuously touching with the green colors here, right? So that can help us with the helper here. So I'll mark the crosses here, where you cannot have the 2s extended here, right? So you cannot extend the 2 here as well, here. Okay, so as you can see here, this 2 would have to extend this way, this 2 would have to extend this way, right? So this is one of the snake here. So that gives you an helper here, the cross here. This is a cross here. So both of these circles cannot touch each other. So if they touch each other, this becomes a 2-cell snake, which is not possible because you already have 2 cell touching this circle here. So there is a cross here. Okay, so there is a cross here as well, and as you can see these two will either go this way or this way. So in both the cases these two cannot come down. So if this two comes down, this two doesn't have anywhere to go. So you can mark a cross here as well. So this two will either go this way or this way, right? I can mark a cross here as well. So which means that this two would have to go this way, and now we can mark this two as a cross here. So this two cannot go up now. So this cannot form a snake at the up, because what happens here is like this, you cannot have a snake of one cell long, right? So it has to be minimum of 2 cells long, and the circle has to be the end of the snake. So you cannot extend more furthermore, which means this also becomes a 2 cell snake and it is touching other 2 cell snake, which means that this cannot go up. So there is a cross here, which means this 2 has to go this way, and you have a line here as well. Now as you can see here, this becomes a different snake here, and it becomes of 3 cell long. So this becomes a 3 here. I'll just mark that with the lighter color here, it will be easy for us to see, and we can mark the numbers here as well, 3. So this is a 3 now. Okay, and now this extends here. This cannot be a 2, so this extends here again, which makes this cell as extension, because the 2 has to extend here. And now this goes down, because you cannot be a 3 cell snake. You already have a 3 cell snake touching here, so this cannot be a 3 cell snake, so this has to extend down, and this also has to extend. It cannot be, these two cannot go up, so this has to extend and again come down. So this becomes a 3 cell snake now. It cannot extend furthermore, because this circle has to be the end part. So we can mark this as a 3 cell snake now, and mark with it a different color, and the 2 has to come down now. Now this 2 cannot go towards the up, cannot go towards the left, cannot go towards the right, so this has to again come down. So this becomes a line, this becomes a line. Okay, super. So let us mark that with a different color. So this cannot be 2, this cannot be 3, this cannot be 1, so it has to be at least 4, right? This would have to be at least 4. Again this cannot be 2, this cannot be 3, so this would have to be at least 4. And to make it a 4, you cannot go towards the left, because then it will be a 3 cell snake. It cannot extend, and you cannot have a branch. So snake doesn't have a branch, right? It has a long path which doesn't have a branch here. So that means it would have to extend downwards, and it will either extend this way or down. It cannot extend towards the left, because this would get stranded here. So okay, so this would have to be at least 4 or 5 or anything. So let us take the help of the helper here. You cannot go up, not towards the left. So this will either go right or down, which makes this 2 as restriction to go up, because if it goes up, this 2 gets contradiction, and this 2 also cannot go towards the left. Okay, and now this cell would have to come down. Let us mark this down, and now this cell would have to come down, which means this 2 cannot go towards the up or towards the left, right? Okay, and this would have to be at least 3. We are not sure, it can be 4 as well, but it would have to be at least 3. It cannot be 2 again. And so this can be extension, this can be extended, right? This would have to be 3, so it cannot be 2. And if it extends downwards, you have circles on both the ends, so this is the snake, so it becomes a 3 now. So let us mark that with the 3 here. So this would have to be at either 4 or 5 or anything. It cannot be 6, because I can see that it cannot be a 6. So it can either be a 4 or a 5, and you cannot extend furthermore, because circle has to be the end part again. Okay, and I can say one more thing is that it's all about eliminations, right? So you have to use with the help of the cross mark here. these two cannot touch each other or cannot be one part of the snake, because then you'll have a two cell snake wide, two cell long, and then it will touch the other two cell long, right? So this has to be a cross here. And again, okay, this would have to be a cross here. So if it goes up, you have a two cell snake here, and both of these cells again will be a two cell snake. So not possible, this cannot go up. I can see one excellent logic here. So if this two goes towards the left, right, I mean, this two would go towards the right and this two would come towards the left. You have a two cells gap here that will form a two cell snake. Not possible, right? Superb. So you have a cross here, which means that this two would have to come down, this two would have to come down, and which makes this line come down. Okay, so this two is already done here. Now this is a it okay. Okay, maybe we have missed one part here. So this line is not necessary. We have just made a mistake here. So this can extend towards to form a 5 cell snake also, right? This can extend. This is not only 4, it can still be a 5. Okay, so which means that this logic was correct for us. Still this logic was correct, so which means that this would have to come down and this would have to come down again. Okay, and as you can see here, this has to extend at least 3 cells, right? And it can connect to this also. We are not sure of it, but this two would have to go this way, and this would have to be 3 at least, which means this two would have to go this way, right? Okay, so we can mark that with the colors here. This is a 2 here, this is a 2 here, and this can be 3, this can be 7, this can be 4 or 5, anything. So we are not sure of it yet. This seems to be a very good puzzle. All kind of possible Philomeno techniques and snake techniques are used in this puzzle. So let us see if we get anything else here. Okay, so we can extend the line here. This line cannot be a 2, it can still be a 3. Okay, if it becomes a 3 here, if it goes down, this cell would extend for a 2, because you cannot extend for a 3, the circle would be in middle and this would be a 2. So this cannot be a 3 coming down, this has to be a 3 at least going towards the left, and this has to come down to form a 2, which is again not possible, so this would have to form a 3 now. Superb. So this will either be 4 or 5 or anything, because you already have a 3 here, so that can be marked as a 3 here, and this would have to be a 2 now. So this would have to be a 2, this would have to be a 3, this is a 2, and this would have to be a 4 at least, can be a 5 also. So let us extend this, and you have a cross here, so you have a line here for 2, and this would have to be a 4 at least. Superb. So you have a color here as well. Okay, so we can mark a line here as well. Okay, okay, I can see a very good logic here, is excellent logic here. So if you mark a cross between these two cells, what happens here is this cell becomes a part of this snake now, this region, and both of which cannot connect now. This becomes a 4 cell snake and this also becomes a 4 cell snake. Excellent logic here. So which means that there cannot be a cross here, and there has to be a line between these two cells, and now this becomes the end part of the region, right? Snake. So you cannot have a connection either up or down, and it cannot even be a 2 cell snake, so this has to extend and this becomes a 5 cell snake. Excellent logic, guys, excellent logic. So which means that this 2 becomes a snake cell here, and this becomes a another cell here. It cannot be 2, it cannot be 3 as well, because if it becomes a 3, this also becomes a 3, and then you have a contradiction. So this would have to be a 6 cell snake now. So this is a 6-cell snake now. This becomes a 5-cell snake. Superb. And this becomes a 4-cell snake. So we can mark that with the different colors here. This becomes a 5-cell snake. This becomes a 4-cell snake, 6-cell snake. So it's easy to just identify those, right? And again this line would have to extend this way. Okay. No, yeah, this would have to extend this way. So this would have to extend this way. This becomes a 2-cell snake. So this becomes at least 3, and this would have to be a 3-cell snake now. So which means that this cell will have to connect to this snake, which becomes a 4-cell snake now. And now this becomes the end part of the snake. So this can be extended down. So if this snake will either have to be greater than 2, it can be 3, 4, 5, anything. So if it goes down, it becomes a 3-cell snake, and this touches a 3-cell snake. So this has to go this way and come down, right? So this becomes a 6-cell snake, and this snake would have to connect to this. So this becomes a 5-cell snake. Superb. So this becomes a 5, this becomes a 6, this becomes a 3, and this becomes a 4. Superb. And with that we solve the right part of the grid. This can be a 6-cell snake, this can be a 4-cell snake, right? And this can be a 5-cell snake. Superb. So now if you see here, now this logic helps here, because what happens here is this would have to extend at least 3 cells, right? So okay, okay, so this can be 3 cells. So this is a 3-cell snake, right? Superb. It cannot extend more, because the circle would have to be at the end part, right? Okay, so this becomes a 4-cell snake now. Sorry. So we can mark that with the surface here, with the other color here. Okay, now this becomes the last part here. Bottom left part seems to be very tricky here, but let us see if we can solve that. So what happens if there is a cross here? The moment you have a cross here, this would have to extend this way and would have to extend up. So this cell becomes stranded here, which means that you cannot have a cross here. These both cells would have to be part of a single snake, and again these 2 cells would have to be part of a single snake. If these 2 cells have a cross in between, what happens here is these 2 will be part of a single snake and becomes a 2-cell snake. It cannot connect to this. So these 2 will be part of a single region, and okay, that's an excellent logic here. This was an easy one to notice. So if you see here, if this would have to be either a 4 or 5, and if it becomes 4, this becomes 2 now, right? Not possible. So this would have to be 5, this would have to go this way, which means it cannot be 3, it would have to be 4, because 3 is already there. This would have to be 2, and this would have to be 3. Superb. So as you can see here, we have completed this snake pit puzzle. Excellent puzzle by Sarkan. So this becomes a 4-cell snake, and this becomes a 5-cell snake. And as you can see here, both the Filomeno rules and the snake rules are fulfilling here in this puzzle. So as you can see here, this 4-cell snake, this 3-cell snake, this 2 and this 5, none are touching the same region here. And with that we complete this excellent puzzle. So this would have to be 4, and this would have to be 3. And with that we complete this excellent puzzle, snake pit puzzle by Sarkan Urekli. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can check out more puzzles from gmpuzzles.com. Excellent puzzles. I will add the link in the description below. And if at all you have a request for any puzzle genre or a Sudoku variant, do let us know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.